Hi, Kathy here from Kathyskutekreations with my granddaughter.
Megan from Blue Sky.
And we're going to have another giveaway. So if
Say it ain't so, Joe.
So if you made a comment in the last one to give away the Fort Worth Fabric Studios kit, now I purchased this. I've decided not to make it, so I'm going to give it to one of you. So Megan, you're going to hold it up.
Ta-da!
And that one has 3 fabrics in the kit, I believe. And the pattern,
Yes.
Go ahead and pull the pattern out so we can get the...
I'm showing them the
Okay.
different fabrics.
We can get the light off of
There's that one.
the glare off the pattern, I'm sorry.
There won't be a glare when I show it. I'm going to squeeze it out of here. Oh! Maybe there will be.
Here. Can you?
Kenya.
I was going to say, can you see it? Oh, there you go.
Oh, you can see
Okay.
it. Ta-da!
And that's a trick-or-treat bag to make.
I thought you were going to read off of this.
No, I
Oh, okay.
can't read it from here.
Trick or treat carry along bag kit.
And the finished size is 13 1/4 by 15 3/4. So that's a good size bag compared to the one from the Fort Worth Fabric Studios. But you're making this yourself.
This one can be for the parents. The parents can have their own trick or treat bag.
Or you can use it for groceries too. That's
Okay,
Nice
that works
bag.
too.
whatever. Anyway. So make a comment below that you want the kit for the trick-or-treat carry-along bag.
You didn't see
And
that.
I will get this out by this weekend, so make your comment by Wednesday, and I'll get it in the mail. And then even if you've made a comment about the Fort Worth Fabric Studios kit to follow along with the, what's the name of the mystery?
Just say boop.
There you go. You can win this too. It doesn't make any difference. All right? See you later. Take care. Bye-bye. Oh, go ahead. Blooper coming.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more.
Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.